These technologies will change the world forever, and make sure to stay until the end because the last one will surprise you. Number 1. Siemens Healthineers. Siemens Healthineers is shaping the future of healthcare with 4 key strategies. They aim to expand precision medicine, ensuring each patient receives the right treatment at the right time. They are transforming care delivery to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of healthcare services. They focus on improving the patient experience to enhance satisfaction and outcomes. Lastly, they leverage digital technologies for improved diagnosis, personalized treatment, and efficient operations. These strategies are part of Siemens' commitment to making healthcare more precise, value-driven, patient-centric, and digitally advanced, preparing healthcare organizations for future challenges and transforming the way care is delivered. Number 2. The world's largest metal 3D printer. The world's largest metal 3D printer, developed by Relativity Space, is transforming rocket manufacturing by printing entire rockets. Named Stargate, this massive 3D printer uses advanced additive manufacturing techniques to produce rocket components and structures, significantly reducing the number of parts and assembly time. Capable of printing with various metal alloys, Stargate can create complex geometries that are lighter and stronger than traditionally manufactured parts. This innovation not only accelerates production but also lowers costs, making space exploration more accessible. Relativity Space aims to use this technology to build its Terran-1 and Terran-R rockets, designed for satellite deployment and other space missions, pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering. Number 3. ClearSpace One. ClearSpace One, led by the Swiss startup ClearSpace SA, is a pioneering mission focused on removing space debris. Part of the European Space Agency's Space Safety Program, this mission aims to significantly reduce debris in Earth and lunar orbits by 2030. ClearSpace One will be the first mission to remove an item of debris from orbit, specifically a 112-kilogram Vega upper stage rocket part launched in 2013. The mission involves complex operations to capture and safely deorbit the debris for atmospheric re-entry, with a launch plan for 2025. ClearSpace One represents a vision for a sustainable future in the space by reducing collision risks and clearing the path for future explorations. It also aims to establish a new sustainable commercial sector for debris removal in space. Number 4. Satellite constellations. A satellite constellation is a network of artificial satellites that work together to provide continuous global or near global coverage. Unlike a single satellite, a constellation ensures that at least one satellite is always visible from any locations on Earth. Examples include the Global Positioning System or GPS, Galileo and GLONASS for navigation, Iridium and Global Star for satellite telecommunications, and Starlink and OneWeb for satellite broadband. These constellations serve various purposes such as telecommunications, navigation, weather monitoring, and Earth observation. With thousands of satellite constellations already in space and more launches planned, these systems are crucial for areas like the Internet of Things, where quick signal transmission is essential. Swarms of small satellites are more cost-effective and quicker to deploy than single large satellites, making them an efficient solution for continuous coverage. Number 5. Telecommunication systems. Telecommunication systems are the backbone of modern communication, enabling the seamless transmission of data, voice, and video across vast distances. These systems include wired and wireless networks, satellite communications, and internet infrastructure, all working together through transmitters, receivers, routers, and switches. Over the years, telecommunications have evolved from traditional landlines to advanced mobile networks like 5G, offering faster speeds and greater capacity. They support everyday activities such as phone calls, texting, internet browsing, and streaming services, and are essential for businesses by facilitating remote work and global collaboration. As technology advances, telecommunication systems drive innovations like the Internet of Things or IoT in smart cities, ensuring quick and reliable information sharing in our connected world. Number 6. Microsoft Mesh. Microsoft Mesh is a groundbreaking platform that revolutionizes virtual and augmented reality, enabling shared experiences across various devices. Imagine collaborating in a virtual space where you can see, hear, and interact with holographic representations of your teams as if they were in the same room. Powered by Azure Cloud Computing, Mesh delivers high-fidelity holograms and real-time interactions, supporting devices like HoloLens, VR headsets, smartphones, and tablets. This versatility makes Mesh perfect for complex engineering projects, remote training, or virtual meetings, spanning industries from healthcare and education to manufacturing and entertainment. By blending the physical and digital worlds, Microsoft Mesh is redefining collaboration and communication, bringing us closer together no matter where we are. Number 7. Graphene. Graphene is a groundbreaking material in the field of material science. It is an allotrophy of carbon made up of a single layer of atoms arranged in a hexagonal lattice. Each atom in graphene sheet is bonded to its 3 nearest neighbors with a combination of sigma bonds and decalized pi bond, contributing to a valence band that spans the entire sheet. This unique structure imparts graphene with remarkable properties. It conducts heat and electricity exceptionally well, absorbs light across all visible wavelengths, and is the strongest material ever measured while being nearly transparent due to its extreme thinness. These characteristics make graphene a highly valuable nanomaterial with potential applications in electronics, energy storage, and biomedicine. As the thinnest two-dimensional material, graphene is paving the way for the future innovations in various fields. Number 8. The Atlas Robot. The Atlas Robot by Boston Dynamics is a next-generation humanoid robot, fully electric and designed for real-world applications. This advanced robot is stronger and has a broader range of motion than its hydraulic predecessor, equipped with state-of-the-art hardware and an advanced control system. Atlas demonstrates remarkable athleticism and agility, using models of its own dynamics to predict and adjust its motion over time. Unconstrained by human limitations, Atlas can move in ways that exceed human capabilities. Boston Dynamics is pushing the boundaries of whole-body mobility and manipulation with Atlas, aiming to integrate robots into everyday life. Number 9. Quantum computers. Quantum computers, leveraging principles of quantum mechanics, use qubits that exist in superposition, allowing them to process multiple possibilities simultaneously. Unlike classical bits, qubits can be entangled, linking their states for complex computations. Quantum gates manipulate qubits, enabling powerful algorithms like Shor's for factoring large numbers and Grover's for database searches. Achieving quantum supremacy, as Google did in 2019, demonstrates quantum supercomputers' potential to outperform classical ones. Their application range from cryptography and optimization to drug discovery through challenges like decoherence, error correction, and scalability remain significant hurdles. Despite being in its infancy, quantum computing promises revolutionary advancements across various fields. And lastly, number 10, the Humane AI Pin. The Humane AI Pin, developed by Humane, is a wearable device that acts as a personal AI assistant attaching to your clothing. Equipped with a range of sensors for contextual and ambient compute interactions, it transforms personal computing experiences. The Humane AI Pin features a laser ink display that turns your hand into a display and a touchpad for easy interaction. It understands gestures like touch, tap, and swipe, allowing you to control calls, volume, and even capture moments with a double tap. The Humane AI Pin sifts through your texts and calls, providing essential information while respecting your privacy by activating only on command with no wake words and using trust lights when capturing. Priced at $699, the AI Pin offers a discreet yet powerful way to stay connected and in control. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.